In this video tutorial, I will provide you with help to get rid of the new ransomware called UwU. This ransomware is able to considerably damage the files that people store on their hard drives. My video will be only for the educational purposes. I am not related to this ransomware and I am not promoting it. As you can clearly see, before the ransomware's attack, you're able to open your files without troubles. But sadly, because of some leaks and vulnerabilities, this ransomware may be very easily injected into the computer. So these are the consequences of the ransomware's attack. The ransomware changes the desktop background to this one, and it also reveals the ransom note, where it unfortunately reveals some filthy words. It tells the victims to pay a special ransom for file recovery, but paying the ransom is certainly not a good idea, so don't waste your money. Don't pay the ransom. The ransomware, by the way, appends this MOONMAN extension to the file names. To get rid of the ransomware, I recommend you to use this special software called Combo Cleaner. You may get the software on the official website called combocleaner.com. So go to this page, combocleaner.com, download the application, install it, and then once it gets successfully installed, start thoroughly researching the system with its help. After you start Combo Cleaner, the application will most likely first of all update its anti-malware database, which is truly essential for proper detection and removal of all possible threats that could be on your computer. Pay attention to the fact that Combo Cleaner is available for all popular operating systems: Mac, Windows, Android, and iOS. So after you click on the Start Scan button, the antivirus database will be updated first of all, and then the scanning will begin. The scanning duration depends on various factors. It may depend on how many hard drives are available. It may depend on the system parameters of your computer. Finally, at the end of the scanning, you will see the full summary of all the infections which were found on your system. Based on the summary of threats, you'll be able to know the information about the locations of threats. Some threats can be removed manually, but definitely I recommend you to consider upgrading to the premium license. With premium license, for instance, there is an excellent anti-ransomware feature which helps to always keep your data protected. You can add certain folders on your system, and the contents of these folders will be always under the protection against ransomware attacks. And Combo Cleaner works extremely and exceptionally well when it comes to identifying contemporary threats like adware, ransomware, all sorts of annoying pop-ups. Combo Cleaner fixes browser redirection issues. And definitely, what is exceptionally valuable, Combo Cleaner is able to protect your data, all your cherished and valuable information that you store on your hard drive. So use Combo Cleaner for cleaning your system and for protecting your system against all types of malware.